Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you on our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your Facebook password very easily. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, also write your comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. So friends, please open Facebook on your phone. After that, on the bottom right corner, go to the menu section. Then, on the top right corner, click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy, and here you will need to go to Meta Account Center. Now here you will select Password and Security. Next you will find the option to change password. Now you will need to select your Facebook page. And the next step, you will need to enter first the password that you have now valid and active on Facebook. And then you'll need to enter your new password. But don't forget that it has to be a minimum of 6 characters, including numbers, letters, and special characters that you can find in your keyboard. Next, you will need to enter your new password again. Once you've done that, at the bottom, click Change Password, and it will be changed immediately. This is the way to change your Facebook password, friends. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.